Сәлем достар.
Қайырлы кеш достар.
Сіздермен Kaz Games каналы қайтадан кездесіп отыр. Бүгін біз бір жаңа ойын таптық. Minecraft Story Mode-ды. Яғни қалай айтсақ болады?
Енді Minecraft-тың бұл тарихы, модтардың тарихы деп айтуға болады. Енді өзімізге де қызық, жаңа ғана
саяхат жасаймыз. Бір сөз айтқанда. Біз де бұл ойынды бірінші рет ойнап тұрмыз. Бұл жаңадан шыққан. Сондықтан өте қызықты болады деп ойлаймыз.
Сіздер үшін кеттік.
Тез көп сөйлей бермей бастайық. Егер қаласаңыздар, осы ойынға сілтемесі осы видеоның астында болады. Біз әлі бұл ойынға кірген жоқпыз шынымен де. Сондықтан сіздермен бірге бастаймыз. Міне бізге осылай таңдау жасалады. Продолжить эпизод дейді. Біз басында кіріп көргенбіз шамалы, бірақ одан кейін қайтып шығып кетіп қорықпаңыздар. Біз бірінші эпизодты жалғастырайық. Басынан бастап ойнағанымыз дұрыс болар. Кеттік. Міне
Енді біз сіздерге аудара алмаймыз, режиме.
Nothing built can last forever, and every legend, no matter how great, fades with time. With each passing year, more and more details are lost, until all that remains are myths, half-truths. To put it simply, lies. And yet, in all the known universe, between here and the far lands, the legend of the Order of the Stone endures, unabridged as self-evident fact. Indeed, it is only a troubled land that has need for heroes, and ours was fortunate to have, so long ago, 4 heroes such as these. Gabriel, the warrior, before whose sword all combatants would tremble. Eligard, the redstone engineer, whose machines would spark an era of invention. Magnus the rogue, who would channel his destructive creativity for the benefit of all. And Soren, the architect, builder of worlds, and leader of the Order of the Stone. These 4 friends together would give so much to gain their rightful place as 4 heroes. Their greatest quest would take them on a dangerous journey to fight a mysterious creature known as the Ender Dragon. In the end, the Order of the Stone emerged victorious, and the dragon was defeated. Their story complete, they slipped away into the pages of legend.
Өте керемет енді.
Өте керемет. Біз бұл ойынды
But when one story
түсіреміз деп
ends,
ойлаймыз.
another one begins.
Соңында не жеңбейінше.
Would you rather fight 100 chicken-sized zombies or 10 zombie-sized chickens?
Бұл енді біз.
Just to be clear, you wouldn't have any weapons or armor, so you'd have to fight them with your hands.
That's easy. I'll take the little tiny little zombies.
100 of them, crawling all over you with their tiny hands.
All I need is like a shovel. I'm telling you, way too easy.
So, I've got a daylight sensor on the roof. And if I did this right, these lamps should turn on once it gets dark. I didn't want to just leave Ruben here with nothing while we're at the building competition.
He's coming with us.
Really?
What kind of question is that? Of course he
Okay,
is.
I'm not saying he shouldn't come. I'm not. But don't you think it's a little weird that you take him with you everywhere you go? He kind of makes us look like, I don't know, amateurs.
Ruben's my best friend.
I thought I was your best friend.
Both of you are.
I didn't mean anything by it. I'm glad he's coming. I just don't want to give people one more reason to call us losers. I'm getting tired of it. I'm tired of being a laughingstock.
We are not losers, Olivia.
We lose all the time. It's what we do.
Oh, okay, that might be true.
I can't remember the last time we won anything.
But if that's the case, it means we win at being losers.
All right. Fine.
You hear that?
Oh, no.
Creeper hocam.
Boom! You guys totally freaked out. That was on.
Axel, what's the matter with you?
Great. Now I'm gonna smell like a pig in Endercon.
Ya öte keremet
I thought
maske
we were
ekan.
buddies.
Cool mask.
It is, isn't it?
Yeah, very convincing.
The look on your faces.
Did you bring the fireworks?
Of course I did. I even brought something for the little guy.
Nice.
You brought Ruben a disguise?
We're going to a convention. Somebody's gotta wear a costume.
He looks awesome.
It only took me like 1,000,000 hours to build it.
All right, all right.
You definitely brought the fireworks, right?
Yes, I'm ready. Waiting on you guys.
If he was really your best friend, you wouldn't let him go outside dressed like that.
The only thing more dangerous than putting a costume on a pig is trying to take it off.
Hurry up and grab your stuff.
We'll meet you downstairs, okay?
Okay.
Міне біз жүре алады екенбіз.
Бірінші үйімізбен танысып алайық.
Иә. Біз қысқа түсіретін боламыз, сондықтан бүгін осы жерден тоқтайтын шығармыз. Жай ғана танысып. Міне сундукта не бар екенін көрейік.
Flint and steel, not too shabby.
Иә, бұл бізге қажет болады дейді. Мына сундукты көрейік.
Shears, definitely taking these. Never know when I might need to shear some sheep.
Иә, біздің Рубен деген досымызбен сөйлесейік.
Give me a dragon roar, Ruben. That'll do, Ruben. That'll do. One of these days, we're gonna win the Endercon building competition. And when we do, people will look at us and say, hey, there goes Jesse and Ruben, winners of the Endercon building competition. They really should change the name.
Иә.
Енді өте қызық. Енді
Иә, бұл люкқа кірмей тұрып, біз осы жерден тамамдайық, өйткені видеомыз ұзақ болып кетті.
енді видео ұнатты деген ойдамыз. Енді алғашқы эпизоды, сюжеті, сондықтан келесі кездескенше
Сау, саламатта болыңыздар.